House of Courtyards, also known as Patio's House, is a weekend residence designed by Felipe Hess Arquitetos in Itatiba, São Paulo, Brazil. Covering 345 square meters, the house is set on a steep, rocky site and is carefully integrated into the landscape. Rather than imposing itself on the terrain, the architects partially buried the single-story structure into the hillside, allowing the house to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. The central concept is to create a house within the view, rather than a house that simply looks out at the landscape. The home is organized around a large, landscaped courtyard that acts as the heart of the living space. This garden connects the interior spaces directly to nature, bringing in abundant natural light and airflow. Bedrooms are positioned at the rear of the house, protected by elegant wooden screens that filter sunlight and ensure privacy. Material choices emphasize simplicity and harmony with the environment, featuring natural wood and stone. The palette is deliberately subdued, allowing the geology and vegetation to take center stage. The architecture adopts a humble, respectful posture, acting as a guest on the land rather than a disruptive presence. The spatial layout ensures a seamless flow between social and private areas. Living and dining spaces orbit the central courtyard, while the bedrooms are tucked away at the back. Circulation and natural light are thoughtfully orchestrated, making the house a model of coexistence with nature and architectural sensitivity to its context.